For the first time, scientists have discovered a rocky Earth-like exoplanet with a partially preserved atmosphere. It gives researchers a chance to glimpse into an atmosphere of a planet outside our solar system. While a wide variety of exoplanets, made of rock, ice and gas have been discovered in the last couple of decades, studying the atmosphere of rocky planets is extremely difficult with currently available instruments. For that reason, atmospheric models for rocky planets remain untested. Researchers have now discovered a hot super-Earth Gliese 486 in orbit around a nearby red dwarf star which is only 26 light-years away from the Sun. As reported by Space.com, the new planet was discovered by astronomers of the CARMENES. The team published a new study led by Trifon Trifonov from the Max Planck Institute for Astronomy, which reported the discovery of the new planet Gliese 486b. The newfound planet orbits the star once every 1.5 days at a distance of 2.5 million km. Designated Gliese 486b, it belongs to a class of exoplanets called super-Earths. It has a radius of 1.31 Earth radii, a mass 2.8 times that of our home planet, but has a similar density. Its composition is not its only distinguishing feature. Its relative closeness to Earth makes it an ideal candidate for observations with the next generation of astronomical technology. It orbits its host star on a circular path every 1.5 days at a distance of 2.5 million kilometers. Gliese 486b takes the same length of time to spin on its axis as to orbit its host star, so that it always has the same side facing the star. Although Gliese 486 is much fainter and cooler than the Sun, the radiation is so intense that the surface of the planet heats up to at least some 430 degrees Celsius. Because of this, the surface of Gliese 486b is probably more like the surface of Venus than that of the Earth, with a hot dry landscape and burning rivers of lava. However, unlike Venus, Gliese 486b may have a thin atmosphere. The astronomers detected Gliese 486b using data from NASA's Transiting Exoplanet Survey satellite, TESS, and ground-based telescopes in Spain, the United States, Chile and Hawaii. Gliese 486b has a metallic core similar to Earth's, but its landscape appears to be hot and dry. This could be, in part, because the hot super-Earth orbits very close to its star. One revolution around its Sun, called a year here on Earth, lasts around 1.5 days, according to the study. The temperature on the surface is estimated to be around 430 degrees Celsius. The gravity of Gliese 486b is 70% stronger than Earth, making it harder to walk and jump. Someone who weighed 50 kilograms on Earth would feel like they weighed 85 kilograms on Gliese 486b. The advancement of technology has now helped them look for it. The scientists believe their findings could help the science community better understand planets that have a breathable atmospheres, so as to discover even more of them. As the orbit of the Gliese 486b is very close to its host star, the planet is most likely tidally locked, always showing the face to the host star, similar to how the Moon shows only one face to the Earth. So there is a high chance of possibility that the planet has one side which is always very hot burning, and the other side perpetually suspended in the cold night. These conditions make it very hard for life to grow on the planet, but further observations will give the scientists more data. Trifonov, the lead scientist of the project, said in his report that the new planet is most probably hot and dry, interspersed with volcanoes and lava rivers. Super-Earths themselves aren't rare, but Gliese 486b is special for two main reasons. Firstly, its heat puffs up the atmosphere, helping astronomers take atmospheric measurements, and secondly, it's a transiting planet, which means it crosses over its star from Earth's perspective, making it possible for scientists to conduct an in-depth analysis of its atmosphere. Gliese 486b is only one of the many super-Earths that we already know of, but it is certainly among the most intriguing from the scientific point of view. Going forward, it will be interesting to see if the planet does indeed hold answers to the evolution of life and planets in solar systems. Please like and subscribe to our channel Space Bites, and also click the bell icon to get new video update.